Ooh, ooh, hey dear one, it's here. It's here. Look it.
Oh, look, cool,
It's
cool,
here.
cool.
This is
Oh,
so
that's
exciting.
so neat. Oh, you think we should let them know what it is?
You think we should?
Yeah, I think we should.
You want to see what this is? Well, hey everybody, I'm Bill.
And I'm Elizabeth. Live simple.
Live free. And we are so excited to get this. When we first started our channel 5.5 years ago, it took us like 1.5 years to get 1,000 subscribers.
Oh goodness, at the end of the first year we had like 264.
And the thought of 100,000 subscribers was not even on
No.
it wasn't even the...
We flipped out when we hit 5,000.
Yeah,
It was just
absolutely.
mind-blowing.
But
Yeah.
look at this.
And ta-da! It came today.
We are so excited.
We don't even have any idea what it's going to look like or what exactly it is.
I've seen pictures of it, but... Dun, da-da.
Here we go.
You've done something that very few YouTubers, creators. Here, you read it. I can't read that.
Okay, just a second here. All right, just a second. All right. It's got a little card. Congratulations on this milestone. Okay. You've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big. We hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind that 6-digit milestone. Each and every, oh, that's so sweet. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. They were inspired, challenged, or entertained. You achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor, too. What you've accomplished can't be taken away from you. And we'd like to recognize you and all your hard work with this Silver Creator Award, a small token of our esteem and respect. We know that you don't do this for awards. You do it because you have a drive to create and share, and because you found an audience who cares. Believe us when we say that we can't wait to see what you do next. 1 million subscribers may seem a long way off right now, but you're closer than you think. And we're rooting for you. Congratulations, yours sincerely. From you too. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, they put our name on it.
Yeah.
Presented to Live Simple, Live Free for passing 100,000 subscribers from YouTube.
What do you think? Should we show it to them?
Oh, it's so pretty.
I don't know how well you'll be able to see it from where the camera is. I'll show you a close-up of it. But there it is.
It's really beautiful.
Custom made with our name on it.
Oh, that's so cool.
We're going to have to find someplace very special to put it.
Yes, we will.
You know, 3 weeks ago we passed 100,000 subscribers and we put out a video with the fireworks and all that. Remember that? That was only 3 weeks ago. And we just passed 110,000 subscribers. I mean, it took us 1.5 years to get our first 1,000 subscribers, and now we're getting about 12,000 new subscribers per month. It's mind-boggling. What I've realized is that the bigger you get, the faster you grow. It's like a snowball, you know.
Yeah.
So for those of you who are YouTube creators that are still just starting out or have smaller numbers, just be encouraged that the bigger you get, the faster you grow. And like the thing there said, 1 million subscribers may seem too far away, but you're closer than you think.
It is so staggering.
I can see, you know, it would probably take us another 5 years, but I can see how 1 million would be possible. So
Well, it sure seems amazing to me.
we just are so thankful to every one of you who has subscribed to us, and this to me is a very special award that I never imagined that we could have gotten, and it's going to have a very prominent place on our wall.
Yeah. Here we go. Wow.
It's silver, and this part in the middle is a mirror.
How pretty.
Yep. Okay.
Okay. Oh, it's so pretty. What do you think of that, Pop?
Yeah, wonderful.
Pretty amazing.
I wish I could make an accomplishment like this.
Oh.
Wonderful.
Yeah, he's reading the letter from YouTube.
100,000 subscribers.
Yeah,
Wow.
yeah, it's amazing.
Now, YouTube actually has a number of different play button awards. This is the first one, the silver play button, and you get this for 100,000 subscribers. The next one is the gold play button, and you get that for 1 million subscribers. And so in that letter that they sent us, and they said 1 million subscribers is not too as far away as you think. That's what they were talking about, was the gold play button. And then above that is the platinum play button, and you get that for
100.
no 10 million.
Oh, excuse me.
You get that for 10 million.
10 million subscribers, right? 10 million. That's still mind-boggling.
Yeah, and I know we follow the crazy Russian hacker, and he not too long ago. Well, it's probably a year ago now.
Oh yeah, it's been a while.
Got his 10 million gold platinum. And then the last one that they have is some kind of a custom play button. I don't know exactly what it looks like, but you get that for 100 million subscribers, and they've only issued 3 of those. Can you imagine? 3.
Yeah, well, it's still that 100 million is what I can.
Yeah. Anyway, so this is the first one at 100,000, and not many people get this really, and we are very excited to be able to hang it on our wall.
Thanks, guys.
Yeah, thank you so much
to everyone.
So, where are we going to hang it on our wall?
Okay, now we both did a lot of thinking and looking, and we really want to make it just kind of a nice thing. We wanted to frame the letter too, just because it's a neat letter, and we wanted to put that up. So I've looked all over the place. This isn't Bill doing this. This was me really trying to think what I would want to do. And I just love this painting. But I think that this is a nice place in the living room to be able to put this up. And, just, it's kind of, representing, us as Tiny House Prepper. And so I thought about it, and I have a spot in the bedroom wall that I would enjoy this. I can see it a lot. And if I ever need to poop.
It's representing us as Tiny House Prepper.
Is that what I said?
Yep.
My goodness.
Live simple, live free.
Back up.
Well, we were Tiny House Prepper for 5 years.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Goodness. Okay. We wanted something that would be a place that would be representing us as live simple, live free. Please make sure you've watched the video to the point where I get corrected. Anyway, I just wanted to have it in the living room, and I thought that would be really nice. So anyway, there is a special spot in the bedroom that I'm going to be hanging this, and I will still very much enjoy it. And so we wanted to kind of give this little spot here to the live simple, live free spot. Okay.
So, shall we hang this together, dear?
Wow.
All we have to do is find the holes in the back.
Yeah. There's 2 of them. This thing is surprisingly
There
heavy.
we go.
Oh, my goodness. This isn't us, guys. This is you.
And then here's the letter from YouTube that we read to you earlier.
Make sure it's really straight. There we
Right
go.
there like that. Amazing.
Wow. Yep.
Thank you guys so much.
Yes, thank you. Oh, my goodness. All right. So I thought this would be a very nice place to have it. I'll be able to enjoy it, looking at it. I can still show it off. So I think that spot's going to work very nicely for my Renoir. Right above the bed, just to the right of the window, I love this painting of Jesus holding the baby, and it's just very loving to me. One thing I'll never forget is my little granddaughter one time when she was tiny saw that, and she goes, oh, look, Nana, Jesus is holding me. Oh, that touched me so much. I love that painting. We had thought about using some space on this wall to put them, but we just like how this whole thing looks. We really think it's neat, so we didn't want to disturb it.
So there you go, our silver play button.
Oh, goodness.
Thank you so much.
Yes, we appreciate you all
Yep.
very much.
Yep. Thanks for watching. Thanks for celebrating with us.
Yeah. Live simple.
Live free. You be blessed.
All right, we love you guys. We'll see you again soon.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.